Hi there, Lindsay here, the Frugal Crafter. I had requests from a few viewers on how I sketch when I'm sitting on my couch watching TV. And so I'm just kind of sitting crisscross applesauce on the couch, and I have a pillow on my lap, and that kind of brings my sketchbook up to the right height. And I generally will use this, which is by Colors. This is the Inktober 2022 folio. But they have these, sometimes they go out of stock, they might be out of stock now, but they come back in all the time. And this has an A5 sketch pad, and this is the second sketch pad I've used from this for this folio. You can buy these as refills. And this has a little pen here and a water brush. And then in the pocket, I put some really useful stuff. I have this little pouch, and I use a pouch because stuff just slides out and falls everywhere. I've got my little watercolor sheets here. These are also by Viva, and they come in this kit. I've got a kneaded eraser, I've got a white gel pen, and a black Tombow, I can never pronounce this right, Fudenosuke, I don't know, but it's a flexible black fine liner that I can get different widths with, and I actually have another color set here. And so when I'm using these, what I do is I have this laminated sheet in case I need more mixing area. But what I do, and I got my flat compass in there, is I will open up my colors here, and I'll hold that in this hand. Oftentimes I'll have a reference photo on my phone, and so I'll have my phone kind of either sitting here next to my sketchbook on this pillow, so the pillow keeps everything flat so that it doesn't go sliding everywhere. I'll hold this in my hand, I'll have my water brush, I'll have my sketchbook open onto a piece I'm working on. I have this, which is just a little plastic envelope that you would put a CD in, and I have a compressed towel just folded up in there, and I can wipe my water brush on it. So I made a little window in the front so I can just wipe my brush on when I need to, and I can pick up color, and I can add color, and if I want to switch a color I would just wipe it off, and if I want to mix some colors I can mix colors there. And, you know, I look up reference photos and I can watch television while I'm doing this, or listen to the television more likely. And then if I want to use other supplies that don't come in this folio or fit in this folio, what I do is I just will have like my coffee table in front of me, and my dog's probably going to freak out if I move this coffee table. Yep, there she goes. This is Penny. Hey Penny, say hi to YouTube. I will have, Penny is usually right next to me actually when we're sketching here. I'll have like a little cup of supplies. Or if it's like Inktober and I'm using markers, I'll just tuck like my 120 marker bag like right here in this like little gap between the pillow, and then I can reach and get whatever I need for markers, and I'll have my marker sketchbook on my lap. But this is pretty much what I do. It's very easy for me just to grab a pen and, you know, do my doodling. I don't have my glasses on right now, and I don't have a reference I'm working on, so I'm just kind of winging it. But yeah, this is my couch setup. If I need more light, which I usually do in the evenings, it's a really rainy kind of gray day right now, but if I need more light, I've got this light over here, and I can turn this on. It's going to be blinding, but then I can get a little bit more of a spotlight where I'm working, and that's really handy when it's like pitch black out and I'm working in here, because this is a 70s ranch. It doesn't really have great lighting. It has like a spotlight over the fireplace, and other than that we've got just lamps here and there. So I hope you found that useful. I hope it inspires you to create art wherever you are in your life, wherever you are in your home, or your maybe on your commute. Just try to find something small and compact that you can carry on your lap, and really you can create anywhere. So I want to thank Lila for filming this. She is behind the camera.
Hi.
Nice. Say hello.
Let me turn it.
Sure.
I can't see myself. Hi.
Pay no attention to any mess you see behind the camera. I have not really tidied today. But, and thank you guys for watching. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye.